Welcome to EnglishHack. It seems that many test takers who took the TOEFL IBT 2026 Home Edition experienced a system error and were unable to complete the test. If this happened to you, you are eligible to take a makeup test at no cost. However, the application link is extremely hard to find. In this video, I'll show you exactly where the makeup test link is and how to set it up step by step. If you're not sure how to schedule your makeup test, or if you're planning to take the TOEFL IBT Home Edition soon, make sure to watch this. Let's get started. Go to My TOEFL and log in to your ETS account. One important warning first. If you proceed from register for TOEFL IBT like a normal booking, you will be asked to pay the full test fee. Even worse, if the test date is within 7 days, an express fee will also be added. So please be very careful. The correct way to schedule your makeup test is to find the test that was terminated due to the system error. Click the three-dot menu. Then select the second option, Schedule My Makeup Test. This link is hidden and cannot be seen unless you click the menu. Honestly, it is extremely hard to find and not very user-friendly. After clicking this option, the rest of the process is mostly the same as a normal registration. However, you still need to choose the test date yourself. In my case, I was lucky to find an available slot on the 24th. But if no dates are available, your test could be pushed back significantly, which feels very unfair. This is something ETS should seriously improve. When you select the date and time, make sure the fee is shown as free before proceeding. It also appears that the express fee is waived at this stage. On the next screen, double-check once again that the total cost is 0. If everything looks correct, go ahead and confirm your registration. That is how you schedule a TOEFL makeup test. I hope this video helps you. For everyone who worked hard for the test but couldn't take it as scheduled due to a system error, this situation is truly disappointing and should not happen at an international testing organization. Still, stay mentally strong, keep preparing, and aim for the best possible result. EnglishHack will continue to support you.